Welcome back to the channel. Georgia and Virginia. I think that's how you spell Virginia. If I'm wrong, excuse me for being wrong. It be that way sometimes. I can't necessarily call it homework because it might be some easy work. My born day, the day that I said the day that they said I was born on. These two states got that number. Um, which also represents this year. That they say we're in, which is 2025. For those of you that don't know what that number is, if I'm adding the year that we're in, 2025, 2 plus 5 is 7, plus 2 is 9. 9, 0, 2 plus 5 being 7. That's my day. That's this day that they say I was born on. Okay? But it also represents this year. Georgia got that number just like that on 1/7 evening draw. Georgia got it. Virginia. Virginia got it on 1/12 evening draw. Virginia got it as 9/7/0. Notice the spelling in the states. Georgia, Virginia, Georgia, Virginia. These two states can possibly follow each other, and this is aside from this video. But this number specifically, we break it down. Georgia and Virginia, this can be your board. What I'm doing from there, I don't have, like I said, this represents the year that we're in. If I cancel out my 0, because 0 is not a number, I'm left with the 9 and the 7. I'm left with the 9 and the 7. I work out the 9 and the 7. 9 minus 7 brings a 2. 9 minus 7 brings a 2. 9 plus 7 being 16 brings a 6. 9 plus 7 being 16 brings a 6. Okay? 2, 0, 6, 1, 6, 1, 2, 0. Now break them down from there. I got 2 pairs. Like I said, both states are on the same side. Both states are on the same side. Both states are the same. So Georgia is the same as Virginia. I'm writing down the same thing twice because I'm showing you the differences, but there are also similarities within the two states. Okay, I need a third pair. I make my third pair off of my first 2 pairs. I work the numbers. I can't do anything with the 2 and the 0, so I work the 6 and the 1, either 6 plus 1 or 6 minus 1. Let's go. We want 0, 1, 2. I want the 6. I need a 3 and a 5. So the 6 and the 1, I got 0, 1, 2. I went to 6. I'm missing 3, 5, and 4. So I either do a 3 or 5, a 3 or 4. Those are only two, one of those two pairs left. So I got 3 and a 4 or a 3 and a 5. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 6 minus 1 is 5. And I got the 6. So let's do our third pair being the 3 and the 4. These are my 3 pairs that I'm watching for in the state of Georgia and the state of Virginia. 2, 0, 6, 1, 3, 4. Okay, that's my setup. Georgia and Virginia. I got top 3 pairs, Georgia and Virginia. Okay, top 3 pairs, Georgia and Virginia. So I didn't track down your whole plan sheet as far as all your numbers between the 2 of the states. I tracked down one number. The one number that's equivalent to the year that we're in. 206134. Georgia and Virginia. Both pairs are the same on each side. Georgia and Virginia. Top 3 pairs. One will hit both states. One of these 3 pairs will hit Georgia and Virginia, 13th through the 17th. Plug your third number, telling you where it's at. We'll talk about it later, y'all.